We've talked before about our ServClean Drain CL. This is a sodium hypochlorite based powder. It just simply is like laundry detergent, where you would basically pour half a cap for anything above the floor, a full cap for the floors. So what you can see, I've got a dirty drain here. It's very dry, so you're simply going to have strong odors that come out of there. Put the cap on, going to add a little bit of water, and this is all you need to do to this floor drain. You'll see in a few seconds that's going to activate the foam. You're going to see it come up. It is going to sanitize that drain. It is going to clear out any fruit flies or any bugs, any organic matter that are there. This drain is so active it'll go 10 to 15 feet down the drain. This will all subside in a few minutes, but what you can see here coming up, depending, is you'll see all the black specks, more than likely bugs. Definitely a cause of foul odors in your facility, and very, very simple way to use it. Okay, so what you'll notice, we've done the floor drain. That's actually continuing to sanitize. We do the same thing. That's a cap in the floor drains. Anything above the floor, meaning a sink, a urinal, a drain, anything like that, you just simply do a half a cap, put it in like so, right? And what you'll see is when the flusher goes, and the flusher never goes when you want it to go, I'm going to add a touch of water just to get it to activate faster. And what you'll see here is you're starting that foaming action is going down, cleaning the traps, eliminating any bugs, any kind of sanitizing any organic matter that may be there, and getting rid of that foul smell that comes from urinals. Another way to do it very quickly, housekeeping can come in and do this as part of their regular routine, and have basically about the best smelling washrooms that you could possibly get. More importantly, free flowing drains, less calls to the plumber, less annoyance. So another use for Drain CL from ServClean is your drains. Drains in the sinks and counters actually sometimes back up. In fact, they do quite regularly, and they have foul odors. So what you see here, I'll just add simply a little bit of water, okay, to this solution, and I'll let it do its work. So right now it's down in the drain, it's going 10 to 15 feet. It's dislodging organic matter here, and you can see the activation foam coming up. If there's any fruit flies or anything, it'll drive them right out of there. But most importantly, you'll help keep your drains flowing freely, reduce odors, and get rid of any bothersome bugs and things like that as well.